boy. Look at that. What a nice little fish. Look at how small. But he's got plenty of power. Beautiful little snook. Come here, buddy. Let me let you off. Okay. These snook are some cool fish. How beautiful. Let me get him back in the water. There he goes. I tell you, those snook are just great fun. And you don't have to be out there where it's windy. You can just come back up in here in these shallow spots. And boy, I tell you, there are some monstrous snook in this skinny water. Wow, nice. Oh! I got him? I got him. Look at that, right next to the trees. That is just a little tiny guy. I can't believe Easy does it. I can't believe how small that fish is. And still he went for that lure that was so much bigger than him. Oh, easy, easy. Come on, I'll let you off. Look at the lure compared to the size of that fish. That's astonishing. You are aggressive. You're very, very aggressive. Go ahead. That's fun. This is just textbook stuff. Tide's coming out. That guy was sitting there waiting for everything to come to him. You know, that's right out in the middle. And I can't imagine me getting a fish. All those snook are going to be lined up against those trees. Oh! Okay, never mind. They might actually be out in the middle. Let's see. There's so much structure over there. If I get a big fish, I'm going to be in deep trouble. See all those trees down? They're a blessing because they attract fish, but they are also a curse. When you get your line caught in them, that is just bad, bad, bad. Well, the backwater is emptying out, so we're going to head out to the flats. We'll see if we can get some redfish out there, or trout, or something that we can call dinner. Those pelicans remind me of an incident I had on one of my recent trips. Oh shit. It's okay. All right. Hey, don't bite me, okay? What did you say? I want to help you. You're gonna be a dick about this, aren't you? Yeah. Mm-hmm. There you go. Yeah, that wasn't fun. Fairly certain I cut that line so that it would just fall off of the bird as he flew away. Tried to be really careful with that, but I didn't want to get bit at the same time, so I just did the best that I could and wished the guy well. I will try to be a little more cautious when I'm casting next to the trees from now on. Don't want that happening again. Okay, we're officially heading back in. It's nice over there. Over there, not so much.